Hi friends, myself Prerna Goyal, a motivational speaker and a language trainer. Today I am with you with my topic Crave to Grave. Friends, due to this glamorous world, there is lots of attraction for having any type of food or drinks. But sometimes we forget health is wealth. So today I would like to discuss about our food habits that when we see so many things around very attractive, so we feel very much tempted to have them. There are variety of snacks, multi-cuisine food, types of sweets, candies, fruits, cakes, all kind of things, and due to that we keep munching all the day something even without hunger. And even after that, sometimes people eat chaat, etc., fried food as snacks, samosa, tikki, and so on, and junk food anywhere is available, and rich food on their festivals or celebrations, and sweets almost every day. And why it happens that people can't control their craving? I think some people do that because of taste, that whenever they see something, their mouth start watering and they just can't control. Some people show off their money that we have a lot so we can do all these things. And it becomes kind of status symbol for them that we are quite rich and we can do all these kind of things. But for some people it is just a craving because they never controlled themselves even while their weight was growing or body was getting out of size, but they never mattered. Now I think it comes to our mentality. I think when the poor people get kind of new money in their home, so sometimes they think, can't we have even food to our kids whatever they want? So they don't bother about their sizes or their habits or their health, but they start thinking that if we will provide everything to our children, that is for their happiness. And rich people think I can have everything because I can afford it. But I think both are not right. Neither we have to be neglectant about it that what our children are eating, nor we should think because of money we can eat as much we want. After all, you must take care of your health. That is better option. And now when it comes to the people who eat generally the homemade stuff, so people have assumptions for them that they can't afford, that's why they are doing it, or maybe they can't digest, or maybe they are backward, they can't accept the modern way of life, or maybe they don't know how to enjoy. So I think nothing is true. Everyone should take care for their health. That is the better thing. And now it comes to the drinks. As we know, there are some soft drinks and hard drinks, and some fresh drinks as well. So I think when it comes to the soft drinks, means aerated drinks, they are not good for our health because they have lots of chemicals and preservatives and extra sugar, which gives us kind of instant energy, but they are not good for our health. They reduce our calcium from our bones, and also they give us acidic problems, which rather spoils our health instead of enjoyment. Fresh drinks are always good for us as juices, shakes, homemade drinks, tea, coffee, etc. But nothing should be in extreme, even that is not good in extreme. Now it comes to the hard drinks. Friends, you understand, some people think it is our status symbol, or we have to give company to our friends, or for our businesses we have to do this to have our business deals from some people. I think we should think seriously that these hard drinks, they are really very bad for our health because they spoil, they damage our brain and we lose confidence in our body becomes shaky after some time, we even can't drive, and our liver also gets damaged. Sometimes we do cheapness in the society, even it gives birth to the crime, because when we want bottle, and in case if we don't have money as well, so we can do any crime, any violence, and even some people lose their characters after drinking, and there are so many family issues rising because of these habits. Financial issues also can come in front of us, and it is stain to the family that your family member is having drinks and misbehaving with someone, and due to that sometimes separation and divorce, etc., or the domestic violence takes place. And sometimes while having drink, when we start driving or something, we even get accidental deaths, early deaths, and our family is always insecure. So I think craving for such things which takes us from grave to grave, this is not good for us. It is showing us the path of death, not controlling our health. So now we should decide that we have to counsel ourselves, we have to understand this thing. If something is not good for us, we should never take it. Okay, and now I would like to say it is my suggestion to those people who don't care for their body and their family welfareness as well. Please be positive and honest to yourself to see your family future in your living time and become their strong support. Happiness will give you happy and healthy life, and you will live forever. Remember, your beauty means your good personality, and your good ethical life will impress others, nothing else. So don't be oversized to be burdened for yourself, and don't allow your crave to crave. I hope, friends, you understand that eating or drinking in limit or occasionally is fine with us, but having excess quantity of any of the thing which does not give us any status in the society, rather we have been facing some kind of personality issues or kind of bad behavior issues in our society which give us a kind of bad image. Okay friends, thanks. Now I would like to say my number is 9958427005 for your suggestions and feedback. Thanks.